Forex fam, welcome back to another video. This is Phoenix, the Forex King, coming back at you. I know it's been a while. I know it's been quite a few weeks since I recorded the last video. I'm gonna get right into it. So, long story short, I've been on a terrible losing streak. So I'm just being transparent and authentic. I've been losing a lot. So I lost my last funded account with Funded Traded Plus. I just got another one last night actually. Um, Today's the first day I'm trading on the account. So today I was in a little bit of a drawdown while we let this trade run. So you can see my first trade. That's not showing. Okay. So the first trade was negative 16. Then my second trade was $2. I actually had to leave. I had something I need to do real quickly. And then came back and then I saw this move. So quickly to get into it. Um, this market had been, well, I traded US 30. So the US 30 had been at these three moving averages basically all night, all morning, or most of the night, and most of the Asian session, almost the entirety of the London session, and this is where we're at now. So my initial trade was when I got into the market, I got into this candle right here, this red candle here, because I was expecting the market to go down. And it pushed down. It hit my green level and then went right back up. And then I saw that, okay, that was alarming. Might need to get out. And that's what happened. I got out. Waited a few minutes um, just to kind of see what is the market doing. And then after um, this candle right here, this bullish candle said, okay, this thing might actually just go up. Especially after me being in the trade and it pulling back up. You see the wicks, you see the rejection. It was kind of obvious and clear to me. So I said, okay, fine. The thing is actually going to go up. And then because technically at that particular time, it was a higher low based on this low right here, I was expecting a high to take out this. So I got into this candle. This after I got in this candle here. Um, this candle went up, pulled back, and then after the close, I got it on this candle right here just because you see that it was a lower high. So it failed the lower high, so that let me know that the move up is pretty much dead. I actually left because I had to do something on the road real quick. I came back and then I saw what the market did. Came back and I saw this retracement. So I said, okay, it's a retracement. So I got in on the retracement. So this is where we're at now. Very quick summary of how the day went thus far. And this is where we're at. We're at this particular level here. So we cleared this. This is obviously in a level. Um, let's see what this market does. I'm just glad to be back. To be honest with you, I'm recording again. It's a level of being authentic and being genuine. Ups and downs. I mean, especially after I got my account upgraded. Obviously, I didn't expect to go on such a terrible losing streak, but it was. I take full responsibility. It was on the account of not being disciplined to my trading plan, not being disciplined, and not being consistent with the things that I said I knew I should and should not do. It's a learning game, and this is the best and the worst part about trading. It's going to expose you every step of the way to your flaws and your strengths. And I'm greedy too. So, this candle is seeming to be engulfing. I don't like this. So, we're going to get out. Just that simple. And I'll be okay with the losing day. Um, it may pull back. I'll watch it for the next. No, I'm not even going to watch it during this video. But I really wanted to record the video just to say I'm back. I didn't go anywhere. I don't necessarily record videos because I'm trying to promote anything or I don't want to be nobody's guru. I don't want to be fictitious in any way or misleading in any way. But what I really want to do is I want to be an example for somebody who's in the similar journey as me, watching me go and grow. Now I could have easily gotten a higher account. In terms of like the 5,000, I could have got one, but I noticed somebody wondering, is it really possible to scale this account to $1 million? I believe it is, and that's what I'm on. I'm dead set on doing it, to be quite honest with you. So that's why I did it again. That's why I'm back in it again. The fact that I've gotten the account scaled multiple times, or I have scaled multiple accounts with Fund and Trader Plus, lets me know that I can do it. It lets me know that I can trade. I know how to trade. I have, so there's no question of if I can do anything. It's about doing it consistently and being disciplined. Really, that's it. Now, because I lost a little bit today, I don't want to get into the habit of having my trade in the money then losing again. Like I'm going to stop that. If my trade is in the money and it gets too close, I'm getting out. It hit my level, then bounce back, fine. But I don't want to run the risk of it running up, take me out the money, then I'm stuck wondering why didn't I take the money. That's going to stop. Period. End of discussion. I'm not doing that anymore. Now see, this is what this is what the market does. Like I'm not surprised at this at all. Now, under normal circumstances, I would be very tempted to jump back in, but from a logical standpoint, from a logical standpoint, we have this bearish candle, large bearish candle, take away this, great bearish candle, continuation. Then I have this level. I put this level here simply because when I look left, I literally looked here. Can I see if I can zoom out a little bit? Okay, boom. So before I recorded the video, I didn't have a level there at all. I just wanted to kind of see where's the market going to go, and you see where it stopped. And I was actually here wondering, why is it taking so long to drop? And I saw it here coming up and down. Then I looked left. I said, oh, there we go. All this nonsense, all this noise is right here. So I said, all right, I know this level is a big level based on the daily chart and the daily levels, but I wasn't sure. I felt like this could be an area of possible interference. So I put it just in case. And lo and behold, zoom in a little bit, that's exactly what happened. So from a logical standpoint, why didn't I get more continuation? I'm honestly glad I got out the trade. I could have gotten $2 or $3 more, but risking $2 or $3 more for the sake of greed, or just close the trade, be happy with a successfully executed trade, and be done with it. I feel like this thing is going to continue going down because I know for see, this gap has to get closed. They're going to close this gap. The market makers are going to close this gap at some point or another, and that's really what I'm looking for and anticipating. But now, at where it's at now, this is where I need to be patient and disciplined and just recognize, like, yo, you're too far. I got out the trade for whatever reason. Stick with it and be done, and be disciplined and be satisfied with the result. It may it may drop down again. It may go up and set up and then go back down. I honestly don't know, but this is where I'm committed to myself to be better. So that way I give myself the best chance every single time to dominate. And this is what I was doing in June. I don't understand how I got to this type of behavioral attribution, these behavioral actions after June, because June was honestly one of my best months of execution all year. And then between, I don't know, maybe conceit, lack of discipline, lack of dedication, lack of consistency. Fast forward, we're in October, and I'm trying to get back to that same behavioral mannerisms that I had back in June. So that's it, man. I'm not gonna hold this video up too much longer. I'm excited to be back, and I'm excited, honestly, more than ever. And I don't care about the loss. This what was that, $12. I'll get that back. Um, so we're gonna end this year strong, October 31st. So November, next week. If you're watching this video now, man, get ready. Lock in. Forget about the money. Forget about what it is that you're doing. Lock in whatever you're doing right now. Prepare yourself, and let's go into 2026 with major momentum. All right, that's it for this video. If you're still gonna trade throughout the rest of the day, it's 1 o'clock Friday. Man, be careful. Take it from me. Stay disciplined. Stay true. Uh, just stay disciplined to your trading plan. If you don't like something, don't do it. If you like it, do it. But as I say in all my other videos, the markets don't care about you. Only you care about you. All right. So be careful. Be safe. Have a great trading day. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you on the next video. Forex King out.